Well, the rumors have created a lot of panic, and the Assam Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi has said that he's been in touch with Chief Ministers of states like Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh from where residents have been leaving, and he's been assured that they have been taking all precautionary measures. He says he's asking everyone personally who has fled from these cities to go back to the homes that they have left.
What is the situation now? What do you think has actually happened in the southern states like Karnataka and Hyderabad? Why the people are running away from there and coming back?
Easy, because of the rumor also. I have never seen in my life also such incident have taken place also. Not that it is the first time such incident did take place. Earlier also maintained. Earlier also the rumor that spread also, but this time I have never seen spread so fast. Maybe, of course, new technology or SMS and MMS also, that may be. The fact that the rumor has created a lot of panic among the students and those who are working in a different field in the southern state also.
Exactly. What do you think can be done? You have been in touch with all the state governments there, and also you have sent some ministers also there?
Yeah. It's a fact also. In fact, on the 11th, I still remember, I spoke to the Chief Minister. Then my Chief Secretary, the Home Commissioners, everybody was also. Then subsequently again, then I rang up also the Home Minister, Mr. Sinde. He himself spoke up. Then subsequently, all the Chief Ministers told him, and Prime Minister also spoke to them. So everybody is taking a lot of, what you call, all the precautionary measures. But in spite of that, in spite of the assurance given by the local administration, the people have left large number more. But it appears to be, it has gone down. But still, that apprehension and all sorts of rumor has been going on.
So what would you advise them? Because I met some of these people in the morning at the railway station when they came. Most of them are workers in malls and security guards and other people. So their livelihood depends on that. Obviously, you can't give them jobs here. So what will you, how will you assure them?
No, I say you go back. Because the government also, concerned state government has given assurance also. And then even, in fact, the Karnataka, even DGP is also from the northeast.
That's right.
You see, and they have given all assurance also. So, and there is not incident, no much incidents, I'll tell you.
Exactly.
You see, not that there was some serious incident had taken place. No such serious minor incident here and there is there. But since they have given assurance, and we have said, you needn't worry, you go back. This is this, and today also I instructed to be in touch with those. You may arrange everything special train also, whenever they want to go back. I want that they should go as early as possible, since it's nothing but a rumor.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app, fully optimized for Retina display. Full screen view, faster response time, and Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.